ner mala kenyam biya kamal ka Nuer online tv channel ka jan gwas me to kon kaler mugor kono de kono ling ne de payin nen gwas me tin chanen tama ka ne tin kon tin traditional shift kene tin kon tin chol kon ken wo ke diene dawitin kon tin ngas ken go ki go kene to kon in jiwal raj dan ti kan lat gwas me ken de ka mat re ngon tin kon tin lat ke re wich ka so Sudan ala permanent constitution akene de ka matin alo de ka participaten ke de ngot ken de ka mare ngone jendan bu kon lat ke jen gwas me ka do badan ci kan jen o akene gor kano de ngot ken de ka mat re ngone tin kon tin lat ke kuma Sudan jendan bu ko lat gwas me mi jiram jidit kan wor online tv channel gor jen wujin ade jen yak ne tin ko ken ko na jen o de kan le re lin gwas me bana wutin jiwal ki dieni tin ngas ke niguk re wika Sudan ekene de ngot ken de ka nyok de ka mat re ngon tin kon lat ka Sudan ala ngot tin kon tin jan ke kum Sudan tin kwala latin chal ke permanent constitution tin be kum Sudan ro de yene ke ekene de ka matten chiga tije me chikana kan ekene ti ne national council ngo ne kon tin ti queen gwini pin dienen wo de ne lok ko de ngot ko de ka luam re ngon kon latke ko lada dide lon ken yam chana je kon ngaje no traditional leaders kangane traditional leaders do ban yam kon ngake ke ken kenetin content ngat ke spiritual ki go dan ki rwane kon lat ko rin ki go gwe tin tere wi ka Sudan shirgane ko no kon ke spiritual leader in kon la wuto la kan yala no la kan ala la kan ya da no ne ti la kan ala la kan mala no ki mat kana you know eneme ami yen guyena ray wika Sudan ki no gwas kan ti shalga traditional leader ti ka jiwal kan jiwal kon tin dakana tin yarkana tin cha gorno de na de kon yam kan jiwal kon en goro ba ka le de ka antame kan ba ngot ken ba mare ngone adu obedien de ga matin gwas me ga jama kana luang dia kana la kan mar la kan galat kam na no lo mishike new dongte mishalat bikana chol chanang ran bikan kamna bikana lat no mo kelio eneme ekene yo ta culture kana bono ku kune reala ka boni banman dine jan kane de conventional ke spiritual leader no ke tishal ke traditional leader o bika ngot ken kon yen kana rodian bikan kanung re kume shit ko te ne wan non ngat ko go gweni entama ka jan gwasme nget kan go gweni ko go gweni shi ka pidre wi ka Sudan akena konen cha mal cha de nung re wi ka Sudan kene konen da ke Sudan bane antam lat kenone na baje kwen yemanan tikan lat the National Council of Traditional Leaders Steering Committee has stressed the need to include traditional authorities in the constitution making process. De Korean Martin water content Latkantem. The committee made the call during a meeting held on Friday in Juba. She can shoot cholken kojurin kwenyaka can tishalke traditional leader T eko ken de kamat rengone taken kum Sudan. The meeting brought together several traditional chiefs and the Minister of Justice to discuss the integration of traditional leadership into South Sudan constitutional frameworks. You know, kan de nyinken ta dana latke ko ntama latke ngore wi South Sudan la ngotin content ba kum South Sudan yen ka kan de ga matin you know ken te ka garam kel mikuka represent Prince Tadio Marie, a representative of the National Council of Traditional Leaders Steering Committee, stressed on the importance of involving traditional leaders to ensure a constitution that reflects the people's aspiration and address historical shortcomings. Prince Maria said the traditional leaders have always played a vital role in solving problems during crises and wars, providing peace and guidance for our community. What guidance are they talking about? Ilat keno chicken role chicken play mat kena ken ma kuka le riang kata da kuka na le mislead keje. Cheshuang. Maria said one of the key issues discussed during the meeting include the establishment of the National Council of Traditional Leaders, as outlined in South Sudan Constitution, and challenge facing traditional authorities in conflict resolution and peace building effort. That can ote mal non kan mal dini kan nongo tela mal michigan non kan traditional leader the no beacon bikan dang na ko mi yen traditional leader ke lo mo lode o bikan nong ne siang andan te ke re win ko tigan ke spirituality mi te ke wana tuet ke ete ke mal nong ke ne di makan kan kum so dan kan mal nong te de kan mal nong gwa ta dien tell me shale mal. I should reject this me and self came yadi chede talk. She cannot they get involved in this. They create mess in South Sudan. Okay? Yeah. To diality let can let can etiken ka long and non can metal malmi can no. South Sudan ma dagamo. Dagang an she dekan ka jen way go kan mo tell me shall traditional leader. You know. Ken ke diene ken. They should come chal ke take Nuer council elders ka young council leader they to tin on but they were traditional leader. What is their works in the government? Mishio Dakanana. So Name Shi Chuang. South Sudan has long history of violence and conflict, and according to 2001 up to 2023 research by the European Union, while much attention has been given to national level peace effort, intercommunal violent conflict have increased in some states. Nevertheless, it says some communities manage to prevent peaceful resolve local conflict based on bottom-up dynamic and solution-oriented conflict prevention and resolution mechanism. The report stressed that an in-depth understanding of community-level conflict prevention and resolution mechanism is thus needed to shed light on the functioning and the current challenge of this mechanism. Mu konga talk to traditional leader they get involved in this constitution making. No. They yig reject ko ken traditional ni mishal traditional spiritual traditional they yig reject neka angu me to traditional leaders then angu me te kon ke ne de kon te la bo ten kon yat ke tin yan ga dawo je te kon ke ne la kon ga cholo no kwa dawo ne ti shike traditional leader do no yen kene tuk bele but me even traditional leader which mean that but reject Burundian lad so if I was self care I should reject this so chicken dead take a constitution making so they want to destroy South Sudan again okay